making fade, start with bowing, making sure the damper is properly bowed and neat, so it will bring out a good fade and make my haircut look clean. I just make the line straight all through from left side down to the right side, bow it all down, make it look neat. Yeah, just go up a little bit above the ear, make it a straight line round the hair. Alright. So you make sure your work are done properly. Avoid rushing on your work so you won't give a customer a bad job. Okay. Yeah, then I go with my trimmers, make sure all the hair around the neck are taken off, make it clean. Yeah, that's it. Alright, might not be showing you all the steps in fading, but just pay attention to what I'm doing, because I was making a quick video to show you on how I do my high skin fade. Yeah, this is almost done. I'm done with the work without using any enhancement. I'm done with my fade and the edge up, as you can see. So that's so blurry. So as a beginner, what you need to do is you learn how to do your fade. Avoid using an enhancement first. Just learn how to make your fade look neat first before you switch into enhancement. Hey, yeah, right here I use my enhancement because this is the end of the job now. Alright. Yeah, that look great. This look nice, this nice, this nice. Right. Yeah. I think if you follow up the steps in your fading, then you got to do a good job and make like your work will look clean and neat. Because or if you follow other steps like rushing your haircuts, it might not look neat as you want it to be. So you take time to do your job. Follow me up for more videos.